I'm just absolutely delighted. And I mean, this chair is the missing chair. I cannot get over how perfect a match the finish, everything is. You would never know that this was just made a few weeks ago. The sixth chair was the granddaddy chair, and it had disappeared probably 100 years ago almost. We got together with Mumford Restoration to find out, would it be possible to actually recreate this chair, which I can't even believe I'm touching right now because it is now a real thing. And we now have the complete set. It means so much to me also because it was a dream of my dad, and my dad is very ill right now, and he may not have too much longer. So they just did an amazing job, and the carvings are just identical. They're just beautiful. They're identical. So I can't believe my eyes because the set is finally back together again.